Hey pool owners! Sweat droplets. If you're tired of scrubbing and vacuuming by hand, the Dolphin Explorer E30 2025 model might be your new best friend. This upgraded Wi-Fi robotic pool cleaner promises power, precision, and convenience, but is it worth your money? Let's find out. Smart Wi-Fi control. Connect through the MyDolphin Plus app, schedule cleanings, monitor progress, or control it from anywhere. Wall climbing and waterline scrubbing. Unlike basic cleaners, the E30 climbs walls and scrubs the waterline, leaving no grime untouched. Powerful active brush. The high-speed scrubbing brush tackles algae and debris for a sparkling clean finish. Lightweight and easy access filter. Top-load filter basket makes cleaning simple, just lift, rinse, and reuse. Optimized for pools up to 50 feet. Perfect for medium to large in-ground pools, efficient coverage without missing a spot. Cleans fast and thoroughly, finishes in about 2 hours. App control adds convenience, no manual setup needed. Energy efficient and quiet operation, you'll barely notice it running. No remote steering option for spot cleaning. The initial price tag might sting a bit, but remember, it's a long-term investment. If you're looking for a pool cleaner that's smart, powerful, and built to last, the Dolphin Explorer E30 2025 model is an amazing choice. Sit back, relax, and let Dolphin do the dirty work. You can check out the latest price and details right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more pool tech reviews.